As a vehicle owner, maintenance comes down to three things: safety, reliability, and performance. We are recommending BG DOC Diesel Oil Conditioner to improve the reliability and performance of your diesel engine. Much like prolonged sun exposure damaging your skin, the high heat generated in a diesel engine degrades engine oil prematurely, causing friction wear and deposit formation. Without proper protection, your engine will suffer more wear and tear and potential oil sludging. BG DOC Diesel Oil Conditioner provides protection for your engine like sunscreen does for your skin by coating components, reducing friction, slowing deposit formation, and reducing wear associated with abrasive soot. This product is backed by the lifetime BG Protection Plan at no additional charge and covers up to $4,000 in service-related repairs. Be good to your diesel and add BG DOC Diesel Oil Conditioner to your diesel oil service today.